You know, I've been thinking a lot nowadays, and I just can't figure out what my life purpose is. It's like I'm stuck in this endless loop of uncertainty, and it's making me really unhappy.
I totally get that. It's a common struggle, trying to find your purpose. But hey, you're not alone in feeling this way. Many people go through similar phases.
I don't know, it's just that I see people around me who seem to have it all figured out. They have clear goals, passions, and a sense of direction. Meanwhile, I'm here feeling like I'm just drifting without a purpose.
It's easy to compare ourselves to others, but remember, everyone's journey is unique. What works for someone else might not be right for you. Have you tried exploring different interests or hobbies? Sometimes, finding purpose starts with small steps.
I've thought about it, but nothing seems to click. It's frustrating not knowing what I'm meant to do or what would truly make me happy.
I get it, the pressure to have everything sorted out can be overwhelming. But maybe the journey itself is part of the purpose. It's okay not to have all the answers right now. Life is full of twists and turns, and sometimes we discover our purpose along the way.
I just wish I had some clarity, you know? It feels like I'm wasting time.
Time spent exploring and learning about yourself is never wasted. Maybe consider talking to a mentor, a counselor, or even just a friend. Sometimes an outside perspective can offer insights we might not see ourselves. And one thing, have you ever heard of the concept of Ikigai?
Ikigai? No, what's that?
It's this Japanese idea about finding your reason for being or your life's purpose. It's based on the intersection of 4 elements.
Interesting. What are those 4 elements?
Well, first, there's what you love, your passion, the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Second, there's what you're good at, your vocation, recognizing your skills and strengths.
Okay, that makes sense. What's next?
The third element is what the world needs, your mission, identifying what you feel passionate about or where you think positive change is needed. And finally, there's what you can be paid for, your profession, finding a way to sustain yourself financially.
So, it's about finding the sweet spot where all these things intersect?
Exactly. Your Ikigai is at the intersection of passion, vocation, mission, and profession. It's that sweet spot where you can lead a purposeful and fulfilling life.
That sounds intriguing. How do you go about finding your Ikigai?
It involves self-reflection, exploring your interests and strengths, and considering how you can contribute to the world. It's a journey of aligning your daily activities with these elements to create a life that feels meaningful.
I like the idea of aligning what I love with what I'm good at and what the world needs. It seems like a holistic approach to finding purpose.
Definitely. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing, but the concept encourages a balance that leads to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life.
I can see how that balance could make a big difference. It's not just about a career or making money, it's about a deeper sense of purpose.
Absolutely. It goes beyond just the daily grind. It's about waking up each day with a sense of meaning and fulfillment. The idea is that when you align your actions with what you're passionate about and what the world needs, it creates a more harmonious and balanced life.
It sounds like a journey of self-discovery. Have you found your Ikigai?
I'm still working on it, to be honest. It's a continuous process of self-reflection and adapting to life's changes. But I've noticed that when I focus on activities that align with my passions and strengths, there's a genuine sense of fulfillment.
That's inspiring. I guess it's not about having it all figured out immediately.
Exactly. It's a journey of exploration and growth. The important thing is to stay open to new experiences, be willing to adapt, and listen to what truly resonates with you. And don't be hard on yourself.
I'll have to give this some thought. It's a different perspective on life, and I like the idea of living with more purpose. And yeah, you're right. I shouldn't be so hard on myself. It's just tough not knowing where I'm headed.
Absolutely. Be patient with yourself. Life is a journey, and finding purpose can take time. In the meantime, focus on the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Who knows, your purpose might reveal itself when you least expect it.
Thanks for understanding. I'll try to take things one step at a time and see where the journey leads me.
If you want to read this book, you can get it free in Lingo Academy channel on WhatsApp, link in the description. Also, you will get more like this.